So guys, just got these Brunts here. Got some Brunt Omaha 6-inch comp toes. They're EH and electric. I got oil and slip. Electric, like I said, composite toe, water resistant. So these are water resistant and they're ASTM rated. I'm not 100% sure what that is. Paid $155 out the door for them. I had a little bit of a dough that I wanted to burn up before the end of the year here, so I went and picked these up. And yeah, that's what we got here. And so I was looking at these other ones that they had also that were full waterproof, and they were about the same price. So I just tried them on, and these were what felt the best for me. So there's everything you get in the box here. And I don't know nothing about them. I know that I have some shoes I thought were gonna work that were shoes, so I needed to have them be above the ankles for work. And again, I was just killing the end of the year dough, and then yeah, so that's what I got. I just like the way the feel. These are not they're not heels on them. They're flat shoes, but they felt really great on my feet. The other ones felt good too, but these just felt better for what they were. And again, the difference between the two I was looking at, I'll try to find them. I'll go online. I got them at Trabs out in my area here, and I will try to go for what I was looking at so I can get the name of them. I don't know the name, and I'll put it in the description. I'll give it a look when I post this video up here. But yeah, so these are what they look like here. And like I said, these are flat bottom shoes. I just like the way they feel, and I had a little bit of dough that I wanted to burn up before the end of the year and stuff like that. So you know, I'll you know, put them out and do some walking around here. But the other ones that were waterproof up to the whole thing, they were definitely higher. So if you're looking for waterproof, these are not for you. These are just water resistant. But yeah, give me a second and I'll do a little walking. They feel real good on my feet. They you know, they really grip your feet well and stuff. And you know, that's what I was looking for. Again, I just I needed something above the ankle, so I went with these guys, and I don't know nothing about them other than this is my first pair of them. And like I said, I was just trying to eat up some money, but I think for them, for what they are, they'll be everything that I need and stuff like that. So again, this is just an unboxing of the Brunt Omahas, and you know, they'll do everything I needed to do. The slip-on, I've been liking the slip-ons ever since I got the Timberlands. And here's my Timberlands again. I've been using my old ones. These are about to get in rotation here in January. I want to pick up another pair because I like them. And these are what frickin' I've been dealing with since the Red Wings lineman's boots have been gone since COVID and stuff. And I just got lazy in a sense of, you know, liking slip-ons. So, you know, I'll do a you know, come back on like a little bit, maybe a month or 3 review when I've been wearing these Omahas to see if they loosen up at all on my feet. But you know, I've been liking the slip-ons. They're as convenient, and but I don't know anything about them other than just this unboxing. So I got nothing for you, but yeah, they feel real good and comfortable in my feet, and I'll have to time will tell for when you use them. But thanks guys, hope it's going good. So let's try them out in the snow, see how they feel. It's a little bit cold here. It's like 1 in the Dakotas. Try backwards just because you can see in the sun. I mean, being a full shoe, I think it might be slippery on ice, even though they say slip resistant, but you know, it's a softer shoe, so it seemed like all my softer shoes worked really well with it versus the Red Wings. The Red Wings were hard, so I used to have to screw a screw in the heel so it wouldn't fall on ice. Yeah, these will be fine, man. Feet feel good. And they're just, I don't know nothing about them other than what you're seeing right now. So that's what I got. Thanks, guys. Check out that view.